What is it? Is it too close to your face? Let's move it away.
Can you see?
What is that?
I can see.
What is that? What is that? What is that? What do you do?
There it
Do?
is.
What do you do?
There it is.
Dig into it, buddy.
He doesn't know what it
You
is.
can
You know
eat
if it's
it. Can you eat it?
He doesn't
Can
want
you
it.
eat it?
He's like, Mom, you never let me get this.
Right.
It's okay. What are you gonna do?
Tonight,
I am so glad I'm not gonna have this brush.
I know when he throws it. What are you gonna? There you go. Ooh.
I've never had anything that sweet.
Is it good?
Oh man, he loves it.
Let's see if
It's over.
It's called refined sugar.
Is that yummy?
You don't find a lot in this.
Manufactured right here.
Oh, yeah.
Some of it's even better.
Did you take a picture?
Yummy, Jackson. Yummy.
Jackson.
He's like, why don't you put some of this on my pacifier?
Do you like a baby super?
They put him to bed first.
He's like a
Oh,
yeah.
You like that? You like it? Well, good job. Happy birthday.
Dig in a little bit of the cake so he knows what's underneath there.
So he can.
Okay.
What's this? Dive.
Jackson. Jackson. Want to try it?
All the children cough, really.
Oh, is it good? You like it?
Oh.
Oh. There you go.
Wow, he's like, I can't get enough. Can't get enough.
Good job, baby.
Yummy.
Good job.
It's cute. You're getting
You're silly.
He's like thinking about it. Like,
I know. Here, Jackson, look. Oh, look at all that. There you go.
Oh.
Look. Look at that.
now he's gonna wake up tomorrow and go, where was that good stuff?
I don't want any of this stuff.
Yum. Yeah.
What a face.
Is that good?
Sugar.
Is that good? Want some? Yeah, the cupcakes are the same.
Oh yeah.
It's chocolate
Yeah,
chip.
he's loving it.
Yeah, he's never had chocolate before.
He's gonna be running around like a little bullet here in a second. Yeah.
Yay! Good job. Go at it. You guys can all have cupcakes if you want to. They're right there. There's chocolate and vanilla. Say, Daddy. Say thank you. Yum yum.
Yum yum. Jackson. Yeah. Yeah. Here's cheese for the camera. Cheese for the camera.
I'll be the
I'll go.
first one.
I'll go.
Okay. You know what? I want a cupcake. I don't care.
4 minutes and 16 seconds.
Thank you. Will you just take a still shot too?
Vanilla.